HVAC in Illinois. It's been better days outside. Bruh. Look at how dirty the bottom of this coil is. I'm saying it feels like a Walmart bag taped on there. We'll make that nice and rise. You're an idiot. See, that's what he gets for trying to correct me.
That gas valve has got me 3 times.
Look at this beauty. Yeah, looks good. Leave it like that. All right, guys. Today we got a carrier furnace installation in a downflow orientation. Now that sounded professional. Come on. All right. Anyways, another furnace install. Stay tuned. Look at this beauty. Yeah, looks good. Leave it like that. Replacing this beast today. It's not a beast. It just looks hideous. It's been better days outside. Had the first snow in Illinois last night. Installing an air conditioner today. There goes that cap. Whatever. This condenser's trash anyways. There's a known leak on this system. It's got about 25 psi, a little less than that. Also, this drain, as of right now, runs outside. I mean, it's a 90% furnace. You cannot do that, so we're gonna have to reroute that somewhere, probably in the crawl space. Unfortunate. It's a pretty tough area to cut, so I'm gonna use my automatic tubing cutter. That one I just chopped off with some wire cutter. Got the line set taped up. I'm just gonna leave this here for today. So Evan just took this off the exhaust. Not glued on the exhaust. Yeah, okay.
You just bent the piss out of there. Was that us?
Yeah, no, that was not us. And then they put about 4 layers of tape on it. It's weird tape too. That's what I was saying. It feels like a Walmart bag taped on there. We'll make that nice and rise. Coil off. We're gonna put the coil on the bottom. Boom. Alright, so we gotta cut this down to somewhere around yonder. The kids are upset in there. Okay. Alright, this is what we're working with now. I was starting to cut it down and then Evan said, hey, you're an idiot. See, that's what he gets for trying to correct me.
That gas valve has got me 3 times.
He said, hey, why don't we just build a new box and just take that off of this, you know? It'll be a lot better, simpler, look better. Plus they had screws all down the side over here with about an 1.5 inch gap that we couldn't get out if we wanted to cut it down. So we're building a new box, set the coil, set the furnace, build a transition, bam. Okay, so even better idea, we just put it right on the frame with some foam tape all the way around. See, it's really nice. Money. A little bit of pitch both ways that we need it. That's where we're at. Got a list of parts. We're gonna go get it and build the metal. We'll be right back. This furnace is staying for now, but I will take this. Look at how dirty the bottom of this coil is. Oh my god. That's insane. Wow. Check out the iPad setup. We got the inverter wired into the battery. A couple chargers on it. Also, we're back to the shop. We just made metal. Made a big plenum. Got some scrap metal. Condensate pump. We got an air scrubber to install. Whip, disconnect, thermostat. Everything's getting replaced pretty much. Oh my god, it's so hot. Come on. HVAC in Illinois.
I knew that goes on there farther.
Easy. And I had the door open because we're at a daycare, so you know, you never know. Literature rack?
Oh,
We
yeah.
can make one tomorrow.
Filter rack.
I say that a lot. Oh yeah.
Nice. Very nice. Damn. Jesus. Oh, God.
Okay, here's progress so far. We got it wired. Still got to do the drain. We just did the gas. Looks pretty nice. The plenum is on, taped up, sealed up, looking good. We're gonna go take a break and then we'll finish this up, get the heat started. Man, I do not want to go in here. Bruh. Okay, we're done for the day. We're gonna do an intake tomorrow, line set tomorrow. A couple things tomorrow, but the heat's going. Turned out absolutely beautiful.
Shout out the air scrubber.
You gotta install this thing tomorrow. If you wanna buy one from me, I get $50 from you. So appreciate that. That'll get them. I'm a salesman. There you go. Alright, she just fired up. I mean, come on, look at how good this turned out. Shout out to Dan. If you're watching, look, we got it on the exhaust. The cord is just temp. We're gonna make it look nice tomorrow. Alright, we got the setup in here. I mean, come on.
Oh, now.
Wow.
Oh, wait.
Yep. Anyways, love the inverter. It's great. We're home now. Got the truck in the Morton building. We'll say it's not really a garage, but park the van, going inside, let the dog out. You know what it is. We got to go back tomorrow to finish that, finish the intake, finish a couple things, pull a new thermostat wire. You know, stay tuned because I'll be having another video tomorrow. So thanks for watching, and if you're not subscribed, make sure you subscribe. All right, peace.